Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into your GoCardless account, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already opened any of the internet browser and now you need to search for the GoCardless in Google. So yeah, once you do that, you can see there is a link at top on the screen. So let's tap on the link GoCardless and you will be redirected to the official page of the GoCardless, where you can see there is a 3 lines at the top left corner of this home page. So let's tap on that 3 lines first, and once you tap on it, you can see there is 2 options in here, login and sign up. So to log in, just tap on the login and you will be redirected to the official login page of the GoCardless, where you can see it is asking us for our email address and our password. So you simply need to give your credentials in here and just tap on the sign in button, and yeah, you'll be able to log in successfully. And by chance if you have forgotten your password, then simply tap on the forgotten passwords on in the screen and you will be redirected to the another section where you need to complete fewer formalities. And once you verify yourself, yeah, you will be able to log in successfully. So for now, let me tap on the email address and let me sign in to show you a demo. Now you can see I have already signed in, and yeah, basically this is how you can sign into your GoCardless. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.